Hey guys, I hope you're well. I hope everything's going great for you. I decided to record this, an intro to the next video you see in a moment here, and explain things. I got a comment the other day to a video, and it said, I think one word. It was a comment to my video called Hams Hate 15 Meters. Well, I think his comment was done in fun, but I'm not sure because it said one word bullshit with an exclamation point. He called bullshit on my video. Oh, I love this. I love it, man. It's fun. Well, I'm going to call bullshit back and retitle. I'm going to change the title slightly. The title to the other video, I believe, was Hams Hate 15 Meters. Okay, guys. Let me introduce to you my latest work, my latest piece. You guys can use the word piece creatively. Oh, man. You know what, man? Welcome to Hams Hate 10 and 15 meters. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for coming back. I love it when you guys stop by my dump, your village landfill. For that's what it is. I hope you're well. Enjoy the video. Catch you later, guys. God, this intro sounds so canned. Jesus Christ, Chuck. There, I think keeping things real, I think I repaired my intro just now. Enjoy. Bye now, guys.
At the same time, it is just a giant mess. 28, California, working this barefoot radio. Let's go. Take care forward to 2X Whip, Unit 9 around Illinois. The only one I got that time. You walk over all. Clear forward. You got 928 working this Ranger radio, California. Let's go. I don't know how long down there we're in the winter, but I'll tell you what, I got you about 20 dB over 9 right now, all the way up in the strawberry west here. Just plus on you on the west coast, but I'll tell you, we're getting
Roger that, 286 north of Pittsburgh. Damn, you're loud here. I'm right in the heart of Phoenix, in a mobile. 73C, my friend. Have a good day. 8355 Phoenix, Arizona, mobile.
There is one couple CW signals weak, but it sounded like he was calling CQSS, whatever that is. He's in some kind of activity or contest. Other than that, the CW portion of 10 meters at nearing solar max, almost dead. I've tuned through the CW segment twice today. A couple times this afternoon. There was nothing. Let's listen to the phone portion. A British ham. Look. 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 General class hams can operate at 28,300 and above, right? Hell, you might be able to operate lower than that. I don't know. Look, there's my man. Is it dead? No. It's virtually dead. 1, possibly 2 years away from solar maxima. Sadly, I always know where I can find some activity, both DX and stateside, and I'll show you where. CB channel 38.
Out there. Hope you have CQ New Zealand, CQ New Zealand, CQ New Zealand. Papa Tango 27, South Texas, stand by.
In the mornings, I listen to Great Britain, Ireland. You know, in the evenings, I listen to Hawaii and Australia before the band goes away on CB channel 38. Whilst 10 meters is virtually dead. Do hams hate 10 meters? Not all hams. Probably not very many hams, if any at all. What I should have said, hams refuse to use 10 meters and 15 meters. That was the original post and video. Hams hate 15 meters, I believe. Yeah, hams hate 15 meters and 10 meters. Let's see if anyone's using 15 meters. Antenna, Michigan cacti, resonant on 15 meters. Look. The whole band, the whole phone portion of the band, dead. Hams don't deserve 15 meters. No. I say the CB community, the free band community, deserves lower, further down the spectrum privileges. I suggest giving them 15 meters. I hope you're well. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.